Hey there, Virgos. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be from July 1st to the 15th for you. And how I do this is I first look at your current situation, and basis that I look at the next 15 days. What can you expect? And I end it or close it off with a couple of oracle cards from the universe as an advice. Also, guys, this is general, so while watching this, just remember it may or may not resonate with you. So please use your discretion and understand what resonates and what does not. So, accordingly, take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, so let's see currently what's going on with you, Virgos. What's going on with Virgos? Two of Cups again. I had it for Taurus also. Queen of Swords. Ace of Swords. And Knight of Cups. Okay. Nice, brilliant energy. Okay, right off the bat, I see that you really want something, but the approach of being very blunt is not going to work for you. You have to be romantic, you have to be lovey dovey. Or maybe if you are waiting for something from someone, this person can be very, very logical, and maybe the romance or the way you are expecting it, it might not come to you in that way. Okay. I see that there is love here in this situation, whatever this situation is. But the only problem is, could be that this person might not be speaking to you in a very calm, composed manner. Like it just comes across as very harsh sometimes. Okay. So I see that it's not like that this person doesn't have anything for you, they do. But the problem here is the way they put it across. The problem is that the way they put it across. Otherwise, rest of it is all okay. All right, that's what I'm seeing. But it's like maybe there is the way you both communicate, that is the gap. Otherwise, rest everything is fine. So let's clarify these cards. Two of Cups, Page of Cups, Queen of Swords, the Hierophant, Ace of Swords, King of Swords, Knight of Cups, Three of Swords. Okay. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth is what I'm seeing, like in the present situation. Like maybe when you are soft, this person becomes harsh, and when you are harsh, this person becomes soft. So it's like constant back and forth energy. But I feel that the feminine in this connection, whoever it is not a very unjust person. Whatever she's doing is right. Okay. And that kind of hurts the ego of the masculine for some reason, I'm seeing, and that can cause the problem. But overall, I'm seeing there is love here in this situation, guys. Okay. So love conquers all. That's what I believe in, and that's what I think is happening here. But that's the reason why you guys are not breaking apart. You get it? Because there is love in this situation. Okay, so if this resonated with you, let's see what can you expect from July 1st to the 15th. July 1st to the 15th. Let's see. 7 of Wands, Queen of Wands, and 9 of Cups. And then I have Temperance at the bottom. So, guys, pretty much I see that the back and forth will be on. Okay? Because I think both of you just know how much you both want this. You don't want to let go. Okay? You want to be the way things are. You don't want to change things. Okay? And no matter however difficult this situation becomes, you both are not willing to give up on each other. And I see that to be very strongly here. Okay? I feel somewhere that this connection is fated. It's not going anywhere, but these problems will be there. I think you both will have to come to a common point of understanding each other as much as you can. Okay? Let me clarify the 7 of Wands here. I think moreover the feminine in this connection really wants to fight for this connection. She doesn't want to give up. Let's see. 7 of Wands. Wow. 7 of Wands clarified by 7 of Wands. So definitely both of you are fighting for this. You both want it. Okay? And it's equal want from both the sides. So could be a temporary fight between the two of you. Maybe the energetic mismatch or something. But it's quite temporary is what I pick up. Let's see the Queen of Wands. The World. And let's see the 9 of Cups here. The Star. So yes, both of you wish to be with each other. Both of you desire it. And I see both of you fighting for this connection. Like none of you want to give up. Like neither you nor your person. So I feel that this connection will again, if there is a pause, it will revive, because as I said, the bottom line energy is love. The main energy is love. So this connection is not going anywhere because the feelings and emotions are very, very strong here in this connection. Alright? Okay. So if this resonated and if this gave you the clarity, I feel instead, whoever is watching this, instead of kind of fighting much, I think try to understand the other person and, alter the situation accordingly, like react in that way. Okay? Let's see an advice for you. What is the advice for you? Advice for Virgos. Gaia, which is the earth connection. Be mindful of the planet. Come back to earth. Stay grounded. So I think it's asking you to be a little more earthy. Now that basically means don't be so much about yourself only. And I understand that maybe, in this whole process you might have become irritated and you might be thinking that, okay, why should I be the only one always giving up? But no, that's not the point. Even your person is trying. Like, it's not like you're the only one here. They are also involved in this. So just try to calm down a bit. Okay? Let's see what else is the advice for you, Virgos. Education. So try to understand the situation. Very much the same kind of message repeated all the time. Try to understand the situation. Try to react as per the situation. Okay? Understand both the sides equally and then only come to a conclusion. Like, don't jump to a conclusion. I feel just give it as much thought as possible, because see, at the end of it, your person wants love, even you want love. So Why fight? Why have this argument? Right? So you have to reach that level of understanding with your person. Okay, Virgos, so that's what I have for you. I hope this reading gave you the clarity that you were seeking, and I really hope that you resonate with it. Please let me know in the comments. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon again with more readings. You can also follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3-card readings over there. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. So let me know. Take care. Bye.